Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm out of the kitchen. As you can tell, I'm in my office and I'm working on cookbook stuff. But you guys have commented from my last video, one of the last videos I posted for lo mein noodles. By the way, check out that video. I'll link it in the description below. Along with the lo mein noodles, I served baked chicken. And I did film how I put it together, but I kind of left it out of the video. So you guys asked for the recipe, so I'm just going to compile the footage that I have from that and show you how I made that baked chicken. So here you go. By the way, you guys, today's Friday, so have a great weekend. Stay safe, be well, and I will see you Monday. Okay, so I'm making vegetable lo mein noodles, but to go along with that today, instead of actually adding chicken to the lo mein, I'm going to bake some chicken thighs. These are bone-in chicken thighs. It's about 2.5 pounds, and I'm going to marinate them for about 30 to 45 minutes before I bake them. But the marinade is quite simple, and it's not authentic, it's not traditional, it's just something I do in my kitchen, and my family enjoys it. So here to my chicken thighs, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. I also like to use this onion salt from Trader Joe's. See if you can see this. I'm trying to focus here. This is a combination of granulated onion powder, granulated garlic powder, minced onion, kosher salt, green onion, and dried chives. I really love a lot of these Trader Joe spice blends, so this is what I'm going to use to season this as well. And I'm not really measuring anything. It's really to your preference. Okay. Now I'm just going to add some white pepper, maybe 1/4 teaspoon, and that's it. I'm going to give this a mix and a rub, and I'm going to marinate this for about 45 minutes. Sometimes I like to do this overnight if I have time. Okay, so my chicken has marinated, and what I'm going to actually do is just sprinkle a little bit more of that seasoning, that onion salt seasoning, just on top. And this is going to bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 55 minutes to an hour. It definitely depends on your oven, but you'll want to make sure that your chicken is cooked through, and if you insert a thermometer in the thickest part of the thigh, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll want the internal temperature to read that. So, going into my oven. Okay, so my chicken is done, and I just took it out of the oven, so I'm going to let this rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I need to work on my lo mein, so this is just going to hang out. And it did take about 50 minutes to cook. But again, cook time does vary depending on the calibration of your oven and how cold your chicken is when you put it in the oven, so just bear that in mind. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.